There are many native animals in our forests that depend on tree hollows. When these hollows are destroyed by events like fire, we can install artificial hollows to provide critical habitat for shelter and breeding. First, let's talk about installing nest boxes.
You've really got to look at what vegetation you have. So if you've got connectivity where you've got a group of trees that connects to another group of trees that might connect to a creek corridor, then then there's no limit. You can target gliders, you can target antechinus, you can target birds, whatever. But if you're in a situation where you've got standalone or fractured environment, then you've got to look at something a bit easier. So you maybe target eastern rosellas or galahs, or even microbats. Microbats often will use standalone trees that have no connectivity because they tend to, like swallows, swoop around grasslands and things picking up insects.
For this project, we wanted them about 6 metres. So I'll always use ropes and harnesses to do something like that. In terms of installation, I just need a branch up above so that I can be hanging somewhat comfortably when we haul the box up and balance it and get the wire around the back and tie the wire in place. And then it's a matter of getting it to sort of sit comfortably on the tree as well.
No, if it's a front opening box,
Yep.
it shouldn't face the hole absolutely due west. To be fair to the glider and the health of that family of gliders, you need to be in these bushy positions. Not everyone has this opportunity.
Yeah.
I mean, sometimes it's just a handful of trees and you've got to try to get in the middle of it or into the foliage. If you're targeting gliders and possums, you need to get to where they've got alternatives to when they exit. So somewhere where there's branches or other trees close by. So you can have a tree within a couple of metres of another tree, then that's as good as a branch. So you don't have to get right up to the branches. Don't face those boxes west, and just bear in mind that they need that extra habitat, that extra protection, those alternatives of places they go.